Hey guys, and welcome back to Plugins. In today's video, we'll see how to send pending payment notifications in WooCommerce using our Reminder Pro plugin. This plugin provides very crucial function for any e-commerce business, which is sending pending payment notification through email or SMS, which WooCommerce doesn't provide. More about this later on this video. For now, let's get started. Now, just go to your WooCommerce admin panel and make sure you have installed our main plugin. Now hover your cursor to Plugins and click on Plugin List. Now just scroll down and find our WC Reminder Pro plugin. Now just click on Download Now. It will take a few seconds. Now our plugin is installed, just click on Activate. Now as you can see, new option is added as WooCommerce Reminder. Now to access and customize its feature, just click on it. Now let's talk about the use case of this plugin. This plugin provides very crucial function for any e-commerce business. It helps you send automated emails and SMS to your customers who initiated the payment, but due to some reason, payment is not captured, although this plugin provides many other functionality. But in this video, we will mainly talk about the pending payments. Now just scroll down a bit. Here you can see Send Pending Payment Reminder Email. Just click on it. Here you can see two options. First one is Order with Pending Status, and second is Order with On Hold Status. Let's understand their meaning. First one means when customer initiated the payment, and due to some reason, payment is not captured. Reason could be payment declined by payment gateway, or due to some technical error. And if you want to send them email, then check the box. And the second order with on hold status mean when the order payment is made via offline payment method. If payment is not confirmed immediately, then order goes to this section. And if you want to send those customer email, then check the second box. Now let's scroll up. Just click here. Now as you can see, there are three payment pending reminder options. First, reminder email is sent when customer made the payment, and due to some reason payment is declined or not accepted. Email will be sent that contains the order details and payment link, so customer can make his unfinished payment. You can customize the time and date in email. And if customers still have not made the payment, then second reminder is sent with the email that contains the order details and payment link, so customer can make his unfinished payment. And same goes for third reminder. Now let's see how to customize them. Just click on Update Content. It will open up the setting for email customization, and you also have dynamic setting in the backend. Here you can see the day, which is by default set to 3. You can change it. It is the most important setting here. You can set this as per your liking. This decide when will your email been sent to your customers, whose payment is in pending, but make sure to check these boxes or your email won't be going anywhere. And if want to send SMS, then check this box as well. Now if you scroll down, you can see email settings. You can change everything. You can change subject. You can change email heading. And most importantly, email body. If you scroll down, you will find placeholder, which you can use in your email. For example, here you can see billing first name, which holds the value of customer's first name. And if you look at email body, it says hello billing first name. So your email will automatically write your customer name. And there are other settings as well, which you can play with. Now let's go to second reminder. Just click on Update Content. As you can see, it's the same as first one. You can make changes the same as before. Most important thing here is also date. You can set it as day or hour. And now let's go to third one. Just click on Update Content. It is the same as previous two. You can make any changes you like, but make sure you tick these boxes. Now that is all the basis for your pending payment email. Now I hope this video would have helped you, and that's all. Thanks for watching.